Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now, verify your Android version and pick a DNS provider so you know the host name or IPs. Once confirmed, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi. Long press the active network, tap Modify Network and reveal advanced options. Make sure you're on the correct Wi-Fi because changes apply per network or system-wide. This gets you to the exact fields to change and prepares you to choose private DNS versus per network DNS, your next decision. Now choose how to apply DNS. For system-wide, go to Network and Internet Advanced Private DNS and paste the provider hostname. This uses DNS over TLS for privacy. Alternatively, modify the Wi-Fi network, switch IP settings to static, then input DNS1 and DNS2 as the IP addresses you picked. Keep the IP address and gateway unchanged unless you know what to change. Once done, save, reconnect, and the device will start resolving through the new servers immediately. Finish by verifying the change. Load a web page, use a DNS lookup app, or check resolver IPs to ensure traffic goes to the chosen server. If sites do not load, make sure you didn't break the IP or gateway when using static. Revert to DHCP or turn off private DNS, then reconnect. As a quick fix, reboot Wi-Fi and the phone and clear browser cache. This often restores connectivity. If problems persist, switch back. Then try a different provider. Some ISPs block external DNS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.